Hello, my lovely people. Good afternoon, good morning, good evening. Depends on your time. And it depends on the time you come across this our lovely video. Good day, good day, good day. Happy weekend, happy jolly jolly, happy Christmas in advance. Hey, happy polo and chicken. My lovely people, the message I want to give you guys about Okoro International. Okoro, where you get where they born for Egungun, Chinese, we come they carry your egg, just the the ash follow everywhere, the whole world. So that Okoro International, you know say the vaccination don't they? So some people, I hear say some people see they carry rumor say if they take vaccination again, if they take vaccination, say some say they not they born, some say their cassava not they raise up again, some say their kpekus they work well again. I beg me, I not believe all those superstition. I beg that one are superstitious. I not follow believe. I want to do this video. I want to use it to encourage you people that what you are supposed to do when you don't take the Okoro International vaccination. After taking the vaccination, what you are supposed to do. Okoro. Now Okoro that they call now Okoyo. Not verse if your son name now Okoyo. Now the name when they give him be that. Okoro International. The silent war. So if if you don't take the vaccination, what you supposed to do? Make sure say you're supposed to eat fruit. They eat enough fruit. And if you pass away, they eat pepper before. Try, may you see they eat pepper. Then may you see they eat bitter cola. It is very good. Then if you still get coconut they Europe now, you kill the water, may you see the drink can. It is very good. That is why I thought say what you are supposed to do after taking Okoro vaccination. Vaccination injection. It go me you go take can, because this one where they day so green passy here, green passy there, green passy there, green passy there. The angle where they carry the whole thing they go, it get as a be. So if you be foreign and if you talk say you want go your country, say now because of Okoro vaccination, before you go airport, they say you still present the green pass. Okay, some children now they don't even they stay house. Now online study the where they can they do, so you can't escape it. Except you just be spirit. The first can say and so not be obligation. So you go take vaccination. Now the one where they call this, so 12 years they don't they take her. 12 years don't they take her. Okay. If you all those big places now, if you not carry green pass come, they go say you know go enter. Which one be green pass? Not be wait you take Okoro International vaccination. I beg my lovely people, my gallant, amazing fans, Mona, they follow my advice. This one go still help una. You are watching Ruben Doris, known as Marriage Solution TV program. You don't say where I come this YouTube. I beg, I just want to leave this message for una. Una no say attention if I dey busy. If I go down for my page, me una still they like my page. Marriage Solution Prayer TV program 80. If you still go there, now still that same your lovely daughter, your lovely sister, your lovely auntie, your lovely mama, anyone where your mind carry me, where you put me for inside. Now still that same person. Now see they do all the better program we go help una. So you all these things where I thought so una try me una see the eat. If una still get life for us, I know say summer don't finish. Now winter we day so. Una know say winter they carry your wala they come. Anybody we can't get sneeze now we can't get kata. They'll say na Okoro. So all this is where I just tell you so now try me una see the do one. So that where be say all this thing now so person you take overcome them. Because we be foreigner for their country. Their country people. Wait till they see they tell them so. Now wait till they see they tell us so. Now they'll still tell them. Wait till they see they tell them, then they'll still tell us. Una understand? So there's no way we will take escape. It not just be like Africa now. You know, not say wuru it go day. For Africa now, poor people now go take this thing. Big man, they not go take her. They go they do a huru like this. I know say some people go use leg where be say they go use leg and finish. They not go take her. They go do a inky. But for Europe for here, whether you big or you small, all of them are the same level. Ogwale petuti. So My dear, lovely, amazing fans in the house. Mona, come they subscribe now. Mona, subscribe. Subscribe to Ruben Doris now. Hit that notification bell by your right hand side so that whenever I am on board, you will be the first person to be notified. Una not miss me. Mona talk true. Una miss me now. Walk, not let person see road. Go here, go there. Christmas they come. You don't go there. Now make me not come YouTube. So I don't they come now small. Anybody will see this video, Mona share. Mona they eat bitter cola. Mona they use lime and ginger with honey. All different country they get different honey. When they use that one also. Then when they use coconut water, sit they drink. Then immediately you take the vaccination. May I not go forget that one. Immediately you take the vaccination, you make sure say you get like 1 liter of water for inside your bag, handbag, or 1.5 liter. Immediately you just take can. You know, say they get a where they'll say you wait. You carry the water, you start to the drink can. Now you say water the flush system. You start to the drink can. Drink a lot of water. I know say they weak some people. Or different friend. If you get health issue, get the one where they'll still give you. If you get belly, get the one where they'll still give you. If you dey kakpe like this, you still get the one where they will give you. So anyone, if you reach there as your health be, because I know if you can't go choose for you, as your health be, now so they will take. Give you so or your age is still there. More they try, more they listen to the news and everything where they happen for the country where you for they watch me. So now this one be the message where I say me I can't live. So see you in my next video. This is all I have to say after taking Okoro vaccination, Okoro international vaccination. After taking the vaccine, these are the things, the rules that will help you. Not put on for me. I say they keep person. I beg. People will get health issue before they know they talk. If person not go somebody platform go die, that we know yes, no, say this kind of person, they mention the name, they mention a popular person. But at the end of the day, go platform, go make up for them, he die. Not be saying that person call what he talk now make it. This person get health issue. So those are one of the things, my lovely and amazing fan. So if you know your health, no, go and ask your doctor. You know the one that will be suitable for you. Or your my lovely people, see you in my next video. Bye.